How to fix Windows File Explorer keeps crashing. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can fix Windows File Explorer keeps crashing. Now, before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now, without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you can do are some quick fixes. For that, you can open up your task manager. So search for task manager and open it up. And after you're on your task manager, simply search for your File Explorer. So you can find File Explorer, which is also known as Windows Explorer, and right click on it and then tap on this restart button. After you tap on restart, everything will restart, and after you've done that, you can also clear out File Explorer's history and cache. So for that, you'll need to open up your control panel. After you've opened up your control panel, search for File Explorer options. After you open it up, there you'll find Clear File Explorer History. Tap on Clear. After you've cleared it, you can then tap on Apply and then tap on OK. After you've done that, now you'll need to check for any Windows updates that's available and update the app. Now, after that, what you can do is you can just open up your command prompt. So search for CMD. You'll find command prompt. Open it up. After you've opened it up, what you'll need to do is type in SFC, give a space and a slash, tap on scan now. After you do that, press enter, and it can take some time to finish up. So after it finishes, what you'll type in is DISM, on caps, give a space, give a slash, type in online, another space, give a slash again, fix that, and now again type in cleanup, give a dash and type in image, and give a slash again and type in restore health. This needs to be in caps. Type this in and then press enter. And then finally, after you've done that, after this command finishes, restart your computer once and then your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.